Okay, for dynamic analysis of iOS applications, one thing that we can do is breaking SSL pinning for iOS. And here it's going to get a little bit more complicated than it was for Android. In Android, we utilize objection to patch the APK, and then we disabled SSL pinning. We can also do the exact same thing utilizing objection to patch an IPA as well. Now, it might not work in every single case, but it is something that you're going to want to try as a penetration tester. Now, when we use objection this time, it's actually going to require a physical device so that we can receive a provisioning profile. So we're going to get our provisioning profile, and that's going to allow us to actually take the application, make changes to it, and then republish it back onto our iPhone. For iOS, our last resort is going to be utilizing a jailbroken iOS device and then using a tool like SSL Killchain that I'll show you in the videos to break SSL pinning. This is actually doing this kind of from like the hardware level, okay? So we're adding this application called SSL Killchain that's going to kill SSL for all of our applications, and again, we'll be intercepting that through Burp Suite. We're not going to touch too much on this on the videos. I will show in Xcode how you can look through this section, but another part of dynamic analysis that you'll want to do is looking through things like the log files. Say, for example, if we're using a simulator, looking through the log file to see if anything is logged insecurely. And also, we can do the same thing with a physical device, look through the logs and everything like that. The most important part of dynamic analysis for iOS applications is really being able to actually intercept that network traffic and changing some of the parameters and things like that. So let's get started now into breaking SSL pinning for iOS.